Welcome to my next video. We are looking at a 2021 real light camper. Look at the outside. Storage under there that goes all the way back. Where you put your locks down. Freshwater drain, low point drain. 2 windows on the back side. Looks like it's got a little antenna. Nice tires. Again, we're at Camping World in Greenwood, Indiana. Here's your black tank flush. Right there. Your 30 amp air compressors. LP disconnect. Nice awning. Outside jacks. 2 of them. Looks like speakers or lights. Again, here's the information if you want to call them. All the certifications. Let's go inside. Here's the door, the stairs. Handle for those of you that need help getting in and out. You got the bed up there. Couch folds out and makes the full bed. Lots of storage. It's just a 1-person hookup for your mounting your TV, radio, USB port. That's important nowadays. A deep well sink. 2 burner stove. This goes over your sink. That way you got a little bit of work room. Dry your pans and everything on them after you've washed them. Or a little cutting board prep area maybe. You can set your cutting board on top of that and have you a good cook area. Then your little dining room area. More storage up top. It's your speakers, your lights, and your heating and air. Lock right here. Yeah. Freezer. Refrigerator for your cans, vegetables, pretty nice. Now we'll put this back in. Okay, here we go. To your bathroom. Oh, lots of little storage in there. Single sink. Reach over, look in there. Lots of storage. And you got a medicine cabinet above with the mirror. More lights, and a nice little shower. Definitely fit in it. Skylight above. How cute. Now I'll show you the whole thing from this side. So this is definitely a small camper for you to go away for the weekend or maybe a couple weeks with you and your honey bunches of oats to enjoy the great outdoors in. Well, this is adorable. Well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.